Yousef was a simple farmer, living on the edge of a quiet valley. The land wasn't always kind, dry summers, harsh winds, but Yousef never complained. The soil is like the heart, he used to say. If you feed it with honesty, it will bloom, even if it takes time. He woke up before sunrise every day, tilled the land with his own hands, and watched the wheat grow as if it were his children. But that year, something strange happened. A well-dressed stranger came to the village. He wore a shiny suit, carried a briefcase, and smiled like he had all the answers. Standing in the middle of the village market, he announced, "Listen, farmers, who wants to earn money without hard work? Who wants gold instead of sweat? I sell magical seeds, faster, richer, better than anything you've planted before." The villagers were amazed. Many sold what they had to buy the man's seeds. Even Yousef's closest friends said, "You're stuck in the past, Yousef. We're planting." Yousef simply smiled and replied, "The wheat never lies. I trust what grows from my own hands." Days passed. Rain fell. The sky grew heavy with autumn. The stranger's seeds sprouted quickly, tall, green, impressive to look at. But when harvest time came, the truth was bitter. The crops were hollow. No grain, no taste, not even good enough for animals. Meanwhile, Yousef quietly tended his field day by day with patience, love, and faith. One morning, as people tossed their fake harvest into the river, Yousef walked out carrying his first bundle of golden wheat. It was full, it was real, and it smelled like the memory of honest work. The villagers stood in silence. Even the stranger stood in the back, watching with no words. Then a small voice broke the stillness. A little boy shouted, "Uncle Yousef, I want bread from your wheat, not the fake kind." Yousef smiled and placed a hand on the boy's head. He turned to the crowd and said gently, "The land doesn't give to those who cheat it. It doesn't bloom for those who lie to it. It knows the hands that work with love and the hearts that plant with greed." That night, the stranger disappeared. No one saw him again. Yousef, he started teaching the children of the village not just how to farm the land, but how to grow patience and truth. And year after year, his fields kept blooming, because the wheat, like he always said, never lies.